excited to unbox my second crate. It's Egypt, and I've been waiting to learn more about their history, culture, and different places. Thanks to Learnocrate, I can learn so much about Egypt within the comfort of my home. So let's get started. It means hello in Egypt. So we first have these stickers here, and I can stick these in my passport and in my world map that I got in my first Germany crate. We have beautifully made informative cards here that tell you brief about the different places, culture, and people in Egypt. Here it's an introduction to Egypt and more facts. Now, this talks about the Great Sphinx and the pyramids of Giza. Well, now this has been a mystery to me because I don't know much about Egypt, and I get to learn more. And there are a lot of pictures included, and I love colorful pictures and pictures. River Nile. It's the longest river in the world, and it's in Egypt. This gives you a brief about the same. Oscar and Eva's Travel Chronicles. This card talks about the brief of the history of Egypt, basically the birth of the Egyptian civilization, and the first calendar was also invented in Egypt. Making mummies. Now, this box has an activity where you can mummify an apple and know the science behind it. How cool is that? Pharaoh headdresses. The box has a real fun activity to make our own Pharaoh headdress and color it the way we want. Like we had in the Germany crate. There's one traditional dish with its steps given at the back, and I'm going to be making these date balls. So stay tuned to watch this. This box has two fun DIY activities. First one is a 5,000-year-old board game. It's the first board game that was made in human history. How cool is that? I'm going to be making this. Next, before we had our phones and clocks, have you ever wondered how people check the time? Well, they use the sundial. I will be making this, and if I keep it in the sun, it accurately shows the time. How cool is that? Next, we have our little mess mat here and a complimentary keychain of a pharaoh. I'm going to be using this. I'm so thrilled to have this lovely activity box. I get to learn so much. Thank you, Learnocrate, for sending me this lovely box.